Hello everyone, I wanted to bring to you my unboxing video for my August Secret Not Secret Kit Club, which was based on the Coco Vanilla Studios Boys Rule. Very excited about this kit. I do have a daughter, but I loved all the colors in this kit, and I asked Christina if she could please send me the kit, but pare down the boys' ephemera in it, which she did a great job doing so. And some of it, you know, you couldn't get rid of like in the sticker packs and stuff, but I kind of have some ideas how to, you know, change it up so I can use it for my daughter or use it for my husband. So this is the 30 single-sided sheet to each of the 15 designs. And I have given myself a goal to use up this paper pack next month when I use this kit. So we'll see. I usually buy 6x6 paper pads and I collect them. I don't use them. They're pretty paper inside and I don't use them. But so that's my goal, is to try and use this whole thing up within a month. So we'll see. So we have that. And then for the papers, the 12x12s, I received Boy Stuff, which is a triangle with lines and dots. And I really like this page. I'm sure I'll have no issue using this side. And then there's some cut aparts. I do like this strip here, and I like this strip here. So I may use a combination of both sides. Then this is Good Times, and this is like a concrete mixed media, and then this side is the Star Burst. There's another page in the kit that has more depth, more color, and I will probably use that piece as the mixed media piece, and I'll use the Starburst on this side. This is called Entitled, which I love the color of the blue, the tone on tone, and the wonky little circles. I don't know if you can see those, but those are pretty cool. And then this side is just words. Large words, which I probably won't use this side. I will go ahead and use that. This one's Starfall, and these are just like gray, dark charcoal X's on white paper. And then this side is a navy blue with gray stars in it. So I'm thinking I might do a diagonal and use both sides. I like both sides of this paper. And then Happy Go Lucky, which at first when I got the kit, I opened it up to this side and I was like, oh, I love that, how it's a wash of a gray. But when I flipped it over, this is my favorite paper with all the colors, with the dark gray, the navies, blue, the green. I will probably use this side. I will use that side. I don't know if I'll use it all as a 12x12 or if I'll cut it. This one's Straight and Narrow. So these are green with different size polka dots. So it's darker, gets lighter. And I do like this side, the gray stripes that are not, you know, that are like a brush stroke instead of so straight. I like this. This is my favorite side. Then Expressionist. This is the blue paper that I was talking about that has the mixed media on it that I probably will be using this side. And then Fun and Games, the wood grain. And then little cut aparts of different styles of paper that's in the Boys Rule kits. And I'm surprised this is the B side of this paper. This is called Messed Up. But, you know, this is beautiful how they did the outside of the paper. I will definitely be using that side. And then this is Kaiser Craft, and it's a cutout Starburst. I got this in one of my kits before, and I used it for a Pop Rocks layout of my daughter. So this time when I got it, I thought maybe I might do some mixed media on it and back it, and I may do some stitching on it. So I've got some ideas forming in my head. I just don't have them complete yet, so we'll see what happens with that. Then this is the accessory stickers. So what I was thinking, so like Boys Rules, I could put Boys Rule and then Not next to it. I thought that would be fun. And then like King of the World. I could cross it off and I could put Queen of the World. I could also, you know, just cut this or put a sticker over 100%, and I can make it girl if I wanted to. I also have friends that have boys. I have 2 scrappy friends that have boys, and I could, you know, gift them with whatever I don't use for that, which that's also an option. And then this is the Color Me Happy Cocoa Vanilla. These are black sticker letters that are flat black. So this is clear stickers. First I thought they were rub-ons, but I found out they were stickers, which I'm big into clear stickers lately. And so, oh boy, I could put oh boy as part of the title. Boys Rule, I could do something, you know, I'll probably just give that to a friend, or like I said, Boys Rule not, or I could cover it. So we'll see. I could even make like Boys Rule, and then I could like list things as well. So we'll see what happens. But Echo Park Star Design, imagine that. And I also got the Heidi Swap metallic silver texture paste. I got the gold in my kit last month, and I did pick some up at Tuesday morning. I think I picked up the white, the pink, and the teal. This stuff is awesome. So if you get this in your kit, I highly recommend trying using it. It really does add dimension to your page. And if you see it at Tuesday morning, definitely I would pick it up. So then in the bags, I received some star trim. And I have to say, Christina always does such a nice job on her trim. I mean, I've gotten the gold leaf trim, which was awesome, the blue pom-poms and yellow pom-poms. I used the yellow pom-poms last month, and I mean, it really did add dimension to the page. And now the silver stars. So that is great. Then we have some flair. Great. This bag is a little thicker than normal, and it's a little shiny. I really like this one. I like the other ones, but I will definitely use this on my layout front and center. So sometimes I hide them, like this one I would hide because the green is pretty loud, for hidden journaling. 3 buttons with stars on them, and then these cool little brass stars came in that. And then this is just a big old bag of goodies, which is awesome. All type of different ephemera. So this says you are the best, and we have #rad, which I'm very excited about those. Those are nice big titles that we can put on a page. And then just little, you know, one of a kind, adventure, and some text boxes that have the border that goes with the paper, round, square. So 100% boy, this is the one where I would cover that up. I would, you know, 100%, and then I could write whatever I wanted there. Best ever, little tags, awesome. Skull and crossbones. Some banners. I mean, it's just mixed with all kinds of good stuff. Fun and games. The best in the galaxy. I love that one. Do your own thing. I love that one as well. That is a great message. Hey, you're pretty rad. Thumbs up. Oh, and this guy, he's cute. I like him a lot. And just a filler, I could use that for the date, or, you know, if I have a little bit of journaling, I can use that. Limitless. #Boys Rule. And Hey Man. So, and these pop out. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. It looks like 3 frames are in there, and then the center. Little X, little crown, and a tab. So that is my August Cocoa Vanilla kit, and I cannot wait to start working with it. But first I have to get through my May and June kit, which I will be doing this month. So then next month I will get into this kit, and I can't wait. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video, and that's all I have for this evening. Bye bye.